Welcome to Quiz Rad. Are you ready for the ultimate English grammar challenge? We've got 60 exciting fill-in-the-blank questions with 3 levels to test your grammar skills. Can you get them all right? Let's begin. She blanked to school every day. Feeling confident? Answer B, goes. I blank a book yesterday. What fits in the blank? Answer A, red. They blank at the party last night. Answer B, were. I am to blank football with my friends. Answer D, play. We haven't blanked the news yet. Let's raise the difficulty a bit. Answer B, heard. I blank to finish my homework. Feeling confident? Answer B, need. The baby blank asleep. What's the correct answer? Answer B, fell. She blank a beautiful song. Answer B, sang. Where blank you last night? Answer B, were. I always blank my best in exams. Answer A, try. The sun blank in the east. Answer A, rises. They blank football every Sunday. Answer A, play. I blank very happy to see you yesterday. Answer C, was. She blank a cup of coffee every morning. Answer A, drinks. We blank going to the beach tomorrow. Answer B, are. He blanked to the store last week. Can you get this right? Answer C, went. I haven't blanked this movie before. Answer D, seen. The cat blank under the table every night. Answer A, sits. They blank a new car. Answer B, bought. We blank for the bus for 30 minutes. Answer C, waited. Let's get started with medium level. He blanked to be a great musician before the accident. Feeling confident? Answer B, wanted. She blank her homework before dinner. What fits in the blank? Answer B, finished. I haven't blanked a reply yet. Can you choose the right word? Answer B, received. The movie blank earlier than expected. Answer B, started. We blank the project tomorrow. Answer C, complete. They blank on vacation next week. Answer A, are going. She blanked an interesting book last night. Answer B, read. He hasn't blanked me the answer yet. Answer D, given. The team blank every game this season. Let's raise the difficulty a bit. Answer C, 1. She blanked a letter yesterday. Feeling confident? Answer B, wrote. The plane blank off on time. Can you get this right? Answer C. Took. We haven't blanked the tickets yet. Answer C. Bought. The meeting blank at 9 a.m. next week. Answer B. Starts. They blank at the hotel for a week. Answer B. Stayed. I blank about you yesterday. What's the correct answer? Answer C. Thought. She blank all the answers correctly. Answer B. Guessed. He blanked the ball very far. Can you get this right? Answer B. Through. The children blanked in the park last night. Answer C. Played. They blank a lot of fun at the party. Choose the best answer. Answer B. Had. I blank my keys on the table all the time. Answer A. Leave. If I blank you, I would take the offer. Can you choose the right word? Answer B. Were. The report must be blank by tomorrow. Can you choose the right word? Answer C. Finished. He has a lot of experience. The field. Answer A. In. She blanked to quit her job last month. Let's raise the difficulty a bit. Answer B. Decided. The project blank been completed before the shutdown. Answer B. Had. They blanked me to the party yesterday. Feeling confident? Answer B. Invited. He blanked the book already. Answer A. Bought. The machine has been blank for repairs. What's the correct answer? Answer B. Sent. She blanked all her exams last year. Answer B. Passed. They blanked the house by the end of the month. Can you get this right? Answer D. Sold. The team blanked the championship last season. Answer B. Won. He blanked to make a decision by tomorrow. Answer B. Needs. I blanked to finish the project before the deadline. Answer B. Tried. We haven't blanked the final results yet. Choose the best answer. Answer D. Seen. The students blanked the answers in class. Answer B. Discussed. She blanked up late yesterday. Answer B. Woke. He hasn't blanked his food yet. What fits in the blank? Answer C. Eaten. It's high time I blank. Answer B. Left. We blank a great time on vacation. Answer B. Had. The decision was blank by the board. Can you get this right? Answer B. Made. Well done, grammar experts. How did you do on the quiz? Whether you aced it or picked up some new tips, we hope you had fun. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to QuizRad, and share the quiz with your friends for the ultimate grammar showdown. Stay tuned for more quizzes and see you next time.